Hi everyone, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name's Eastiana, and today's video we're going to share how to completely transform your hair using Luxy Hair Extensions. It's super easy and quick. I'm going to share some of my favorite tips and tricks and tools to use. Yes, I'm wearing my Luxy Hair Extensions right now. My natural hair doesn't normally look this long and luscious and big and voluminous. So I love this look. It's very easy, so let's just get into it. Okay, so this is my natural hair untouched. I have medium thick hair, and today I'm going to be using my Luxy Hair Extensions. They come in this beautiful round pink box which you can store them in safely. This is the 20-inch chocolate brown set in 160 grams from the Classic collection. So the weft looks like this. It's got super sturdy clips. And to start, I'm going to curl my natural hair with the Luxy Hair Signature Curler. It has an extended barrel, so it's perfect for curling extensions. I'm just taking 1-inch sections and curling every piece away from my face to start. Once all curled, I like to curl my extensions separately. To make this super easy, I use a Luxy Hair Deluxe Styler, which you can stick on a window or mirror. Just drop your wefts onto it, and then you can easily brush and style your extensions like I'm doing here. Once that's done, it's time to clip them in, and I use the Luxy Hair application kit to help me do this. It comes with a rat tail comb and 2 no-slip clips that look like this. So I'm parting my hair at the back, leaving down 1 thin layer. I use the rat tail comb to help me make a clean part line and clip up the rest of my hair out of the way. Here's the full set fully curled. As you can see, it's so thick and luscious, it's going to make my hair so voluminous and long. I always start with a 3-clip weft for the bottom layer. It fits perfectly, but for you that may be a 2-clip weft, depending on the thickness of your own hair. Then I actually stack the 4-clip wefts on top of each other, just like this. It makes it fast and easy to clip in and concentrates all that thickness right where I want it, across the middle of my head when I create the second layer. To finish off the back, I use the second 3-clip weft on top, just like this. Now you need to fill in the sides, and I'm using the rat tail comb to create a clean part line again on the side of my head. Clip that out of the way and then apply the 2-clip weft there. The Classic collection set comes with 4 single clip wefts, and you can just place them around the sides wherever extra blending is needed for you. I repeated this on the other side, and now I'm just touching up any pieces that need a little extra curl for the perfect blend with the Signature Curler. Then to finish off the look, I like to use a few drops of hair oil to keep everything smooth, together, and shiny. I'll use the Luxy Hair Loop Brush to brush the oil through and blend everything together. The loop brush makes it easy to brush your extensions because there's no risk of the brush getting caught on your wefts or clips. And that's it. See how much of a difference adding hair extensions could add? Instantly longer and thicker hair, and basically the hair I've always dreamed of. If you want to check out the products I used to get this look, just head down in the description box below. Okay, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys found it helpful and enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more hair tutorials and inspo, as always, and we'll see you next one. Bye!